This free educational video ends here. Dear friends, my main goal in creating this channel is to help people improve their knowledge and skills in the fields of piping engineering and piping fabrication. You can actively participate in this mission by sharing these videos and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments about the video, and I hope to see you in the next video.